Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. Today's video is on months of the year in Nyanja. Miezi zili muchaka.
January, Kapalepale, Kapalepale. February, Cibweleza, Cibweleza. March, Kafukulila, Kafukulila. April, Masika, Masika. May, Kolola, Kolola. June, Cisanu, Cisanu. July, Phukira, Phukira. August, Phukira, Phukira. September, Changululu, Changululu. October, Mafundi, Mafundi. November, Kafwiritsira, Kafwiritsira. December, zirere, zirere. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think about the video in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed watching the video, please you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're the first to know when I post a new video.